Hello guys, today we're getting back with Weather Easy, and today we're covering pretty much the same topic we've been covering the last couple of days. And yes, definitely thank all of you for giving me all these views and likes and support. I really appreciate it. And we've been talking about this potential blizzard in Ohio. And perhaps this snow will go all the way to the northeast. Yeah, this still does appear possible, and along with severe thunderstorms, which we will be covering in just a second here. So, get yourselves prepared. Okay, there isn't really anything other than the fact that this is GFS model pivotal weather. You can see localized snow totals of over a foot in northern Ohio, and widespread totals of at least 6 inches. And even in going into eastern Indiana. And yes, there could be lake effect snow across even Lake Michigan. And there's nothing much here either. We're just going to discuss it as we go along. With severe storms possible, yes, there has been some discussion about the severe weather potential. That still does appear possible. I can't guarantee you that this will happen for sure, but it is a possibility that has been discussed lately. So this is all like Gulf Coast, Atlantic Coast, Southeast, Deep South. Yeah. So if you're in this area, you might want to be careful when it's time. And now here's a snowfall map. Now localized total, no, hold on. Less than an inch of snowfall. I mean, just light, so not really much snowfall at all. It's a brief period of snow, pretty much. Could be possible for, like, Chicago. And perhaps going down to the Appalachian Mountains, UP of Michigan. And throughout Lake Michigan. And going in the Northeast. Then we have 1 to 3 inches for Indianapolis. Buffalo. Then we also got around Erie, Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh area. And then we also got 2 different areas of 3 to 6 inches. One surrounding the highest amounts, which is basically southeast Michigan and northern Ohio. The other one, kind of, but it doesn't go like too much of a foot really. It's just northern New York. And then we got 6 to 12 inches for almost the same region as we just did with the 3 to 6 inches. This just gets smaller and smaller. And then we also have that small area in northern New York again because of the mountains there. And then 1 foot. This will be supported by lake effect snow, trust me. We could see 1 foot of snow in Detroit's Cleveland and Toledo areas, and basically surrounding the southwest sector of Lake Erie. And that is it for today, guys.